Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username within the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. Now, since the Fortnite game is directly linked with Epic Games Launcher, you will need to change your Epic Games Launcher username in order to change your Fortnite name as well. So open up the Epic Games Launcher on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, click on the user ID at the top right corner and then click on account. Now from the account page, you will find the option to change your display name. If you have not changed your display name in the past 2 weeks, then you will find an edit button instead of the lock icon. But if you have changed your name within the last 2 weeks, then you will need to wait until the 2 weeks time has passed. Once 2 weeks has passed, you will see the edit button, which you can click on, and you will be allowed to enter your desired new display name. After entering your preferred name, click on the save button, and now your display name will be changed on your Epic Games account as well as your Fortnite game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.